Amtrak Coast Starlight 14, unit number 345 and 313. Coming in this Pepsi can, red, white, and blue ALC 42s, Vancouver, Washington. Train Intelligence Network here with the Tin Man. We got a yellow over green as soon as they unload and load. And we'll also see if there's anything special on this one. Yesterday there was. Haven't posted that yet, but it will be in the long format video, weekly video. That one also contains music, in case it's not your slice or pie or cup of tea, however you want to present it. Anyhow, Amtrak Coast Starlight 14. Present, Vancouver, Washington. Stay tuned for more.